Hello everybody, welcome back to my second video for The Source of Crypto. My name is Source and this is The Source of Crypto YouTube channel. Welcome back to another cryptocurrency news update. Today we have some exciting developments to discuss, including the potential approval of a Bitcoin exchange traded fund, the US government's Bitcoin's holdings, and FTX's staking activities. So let's dive right into it. Our first story is all about Bitcoin and the hopes of a Bitcoin exchange traded fund getting approved. Bitcoin recently made a remarkable 4.5% jump in the Asian market today, and this was primarily due to optimism surrounding a potential Bitcoin ETF approval in the coming months. This news has sparked bullish sentiments in the crypto community. Get up! Bitcoin had been trading at just under $28,000, managing to reverse all its losses over the past week. The jump appears to be a continuation of the positive reaction to the US Securities and Exchange Commission's decision not to appeal a recent Grayscale ruling. It seems the SEC is not going to challenge a conversion of the popular Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into a more investor-friendly ETF. This move has increased the odds of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust becoming a more appealing ETF, which is a significant development for the crypto space. Come on, we can do this! In our second story, we turn our attention to the US government's Bitcoin holdings, which recently made headlines. The federal government of the United States now holds around $5 billion worth of Bitcoin. $5 billion! Making it one of the largest Bitcoin holders globally. This revelation came after the Wall Street Journal reported that the government seized over 200,000 Bitcoins in recent operations, primarily from cybercriminals and darknet markets. These seized Bitcoins were stored in encrypted hardware wallets owned by government agencies, including the US Treasury, the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, and the Justice Department. However, it's important to note that the legal procedures involved in converting these seized Bitcoins might take years. The government currently awaits a final forfeiture order from the court, which would grant it legal ownership of these assets and allow the US Marshal Service to liquidate them. This development raises questions about the US government's approach to cryptocurrency regulations, as it continues to grapple with regulatory uncertainties while implementing measures like KYC and anti-money laundering policies. Crypto enthusiasts and investors are closely watching how these seizures will impact the value of Bitcoin. Very interesting. I think this has been their plan all along, but I'd love to know what you guys think. Our final story revolves around the FTX cryptocurrency exchange and its bankruptcy staking Solana and Ethereum. Blockchain data suggests that addresses associated with FTX bankruptcy estate have staked millions of dollars worth of Sol and ETH over the weekend. These staked assets could potentially earn the estate a significant amount of yield in the coming years. On the Solana blockchain, the staked Sol is expected to earn an annualized yield of 6.79%, which could amount to over $8 million in Sol tokens. Ethereum, on the other hand, is set to earn 3.4%, equivalent to around 1 million in ETH. FTX's involvement in Solana and the significant volume of Sol tokens they hold, combined with their recent bankruptcy, make this staking activity a fascinating development to follow. Before wrapping up today's news, there's an interesting development related to Sam Bankman-Fried, co-founder of FTX. He's requested an extended release dose of Adderall to help him concentrate properly during his ongoing criminal trial. Bankman-Fried's lawyers have expressed concern that his lack of medication is affecting his ability to participate meaningfully in his defense. It's a situation worth keeping an eye on as the trial progresses. Poor SBF. My boy, my man, he needs some help. Mate, he's going to need all the drugs he gets, especially when he ends up in jail. And that's a wrap for today's cryptocurrency news update. We've covered some exciting developments from the potential Bitcoin ETF approval to the US government's Bitcoin holdings and FTX's staking activities. As always, stay tuned for more crypto news. And don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates in the world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Cheers.